stone here, video 11, looking at the Maerdy landscape, and this stone standing out in relation to video 10 I've just done with the scheduled wonderful stone calm. As I'm running out on the iPhone here, this stone looks like it's been a lightning strike stone, so it's been standing up upright, 1.5 meters in height. It's quite deep in the ground. As we sort of scoop around here into a metaphorical scoop in the ground, creating this mound here, they all seem to be made out of stone from this landscape. And as we sort of zip around here, we've got another little bit of a mound, and this is all made of stone. Maerdy A has stolen my metal stick, which is claimed, and this is the last video today. Really interesting. There's the scoop, so we've got a mound here, scoop, mound over there, and the stone sticking out, and a wonderful scheduled monument. Last video today. It's really cold. I've run out of power on my phone. Thank you very much, KARL-JAMES, LANGFORD, Rhondda, Archaeology Cymru, and thank you to Maerdy A1, Maerdy A2, and Arthur, and somebody called Gareth. Bye.